So what's up guys, I have another exciting feature for you here, coming at you from Costa Rica again. And yesterday's was another plant farm, and I gotta say the only rough part about this one is I can't take any plants home, so I definitely geek out a little bit when I get to a nursery. And the nursery I'm at today is ZILL's High Performance Plants of Costa Rica. So we're at Gary ZILL's nursery. It's just a little bit west of where Paul Zink is in Costa Rica. We're here to kind of tour this place. I hear there's some ripe fruit we're gonna try. Obviously get you guys some of that epic drone footage. Hold tight. Oh hey, what are you gonna do with that machete, dude?
Yeah, open up some jackfruit?
No way. Are these any good?
They're probably really good.
Really good.
Yeah.
What do you got here, Paul?
Got a Santol.
Santol? Oh. Oh, I've never had one of these. It's got a lot of skin, huh?
It's pure pectin.
What do you eat, the center only?
Yeah, it's easier to just grab it with your teeth.
Really? Paul said bite into it.
Whoa. It's sweet and sour.
Kinda.
It's sweet on the outside and kind of sour towards the
Sweeter
middle.
than soursop almost, though. Well, that's delicious.
It's hard to tell by the flesh color, but even the ones that are like this is the part you eat. It's kind of oniony, right? Like garlicky.
Maybe an aftertaste, yeah.
Garlicky.
Delicious.
That's really good.
Right?
Julie mango.
What you working with over here, Paul?
Oh, Julie.
Oh.
Julia.
Yummy, yummy.
Wanna try that?
Okay.
Get you in there, Matt.
The way this Santol seed. No one ever saw that.
Oh, B-roll guy gets to taste fruit. It works for the job, right?
You know, there's a song about the Julie mango, right?
I mean, seeing that this one's named after your wife.
Have you heard the song? It's a little raunchy. It's like a dancehall song.
Oh God, really?
Do you know the song, Jen?
My wife's
No,
name
I
is Julie, so.
Oh, what's your name?
It goes a little something like this.
Jen,
Jim, what do you think about Julie?
That Julie mango.
very floral.
Ooh.
That's where it starts.
Awesome.
On the outside.
Oh, Danny, do you approve?
Give me a suck of that.
It's crazy that it's green on the outside.
It's like really
Delicious inside.
super sexual
That's
song,
awesome.
but it's
Wow.
awesome. Like it's like a soca song.
Julie.
Julie is
A
serious.
little bit of acidity in there
A
too.
little bit of acidity. You're not joking about that green outside.
Seguimos. Let's go. Get some more mangoes.
More mangoes.
There's at least 80 more.
Whoa.
This is how it goes here. Walking through the mango forest, you can only, if you have to try 80 mangoes, you have to have one bite of each and then unfortunately toss that. And keep going.
Might mango overdose, huh?
You can't have 80 whole mangoes. Bit of a riper Julie. You want to try some more, Jen? Oh yeah. That one's for you.
The skin tastes good.
You want that one?
You gonna give me that one? All right, all right.
I want to try the skin. The other one was a little green.
Skin. I wouldn't try the skin here.
No?
No, this is not an organic nursery. This is more of a lab for selecting varieties. They plant the best seeds around the world, best textured flavor one from Thailand, the best, most aromatic one from India. Plant those 2 seeds, let them grow, cross-pollinate them, and then they harvest all those fruits that are hybrid basically now, and then plant the best of those seeds, let them grow up, and then graft from there and sell them in the nursery. They do all the work for you, selecting 20 years later. I mean, you can get the trees here and then wean them off, put them on rehab.
Yeah, that's what we do. Ooh, that's a pretty mango. Wow.
Like a jewel.
It's a PKM.
PKM, really?
Like Pimson 1? Or Primkai? No, it's Primkai. Primkai one. This is a good green one too, right?
Yeah.
They call this one PKM, is that what you said?
Puedes comer verde también.
It's a good green one.
The texture is amazing.
Mango manzana.
Melt in your mouth?
Mango manzana.
Yeah, it's kind of like mango gelatin.
Whoa.
There you go, Pete.
Paul, I gotta say, people are gonna be impressed, man. We're using a knife this time. Everybody's getting a fair chunk. Hey.
Se puede probar en las manos usted. Ni siquiera las manos.
I like the Julie a little better. Which one about you? A little more sweet, right? This
Yeah,
is really good,
for
though.
the flavor, the texture
Texture's
of
better.
This is incredible.
Mm.
No fiber, it's super gelatinous. This is the texture of the mango that I like.
The dripping.
Like apple.
It's like apple.
Hey, you picking green mangoes over here?
Yeah, in Costa Rica they love eating green mango.
Yeah,
green
I've seen them
mango.
at the traffic jams.
Exactly.
With lime and chile
Mm.
and salt.
The green mango market is crazy right now.
It's a good green one.
Really?
Oh, it's really popular in Florida.
Got some terraps up here.
To wrap. What?
Ella. Está buenísimo, mamá.
Hey, there's definitely a couple of ripe ones here. He's going up.
Hey, you can't climb until I got the camera ready, Mike.
You gotta be quicker. Paul, you're like a monkey, man. I turn my head and you're in the tree.
Here we go. This one's right. I think it's ready. Wasn't pollinated properly.
Not fully developed.
Not properly pollinated.
Fruit's not developed, right? Okay.
But the ones that are there,
Serious?
that makes my knees weak.
Let me see this. Whoa. Come on down, dude. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We got something serious. Dude.
Is that one soft?
Oh, yeah. I need you to hold it so I can even get a piece. Oh. Oh. OMG. Whoa.
Tiene otra gente.
That's my first time trying that. That's
What?
ridiculous.
Really?
Really? Whoa.
These aren't common in Florida. Is that one ripe?
I think that can hold for a
You
couple
are
days.
such a
This might be a traveler.
beauty.
Yeah.
No pueden comprar los otros.
So what you think of the taste?
I might have to try it again just to be sure. I don't know.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows, right?
Marshmallows with
You dig?
marshmallows with something. What is that?
Hold on to here. Whoa.
I wish I could those by.
Are they up to par?
We good?
I don't remember.
You've had better, Jen?
We've had better, yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes they're more citrusy.
Okay.
It does have a little citrus, but very low.
Dude, you're like an animal over here.
Let's keep going. I think this is a Tommy.
I don't think it's, that's not red enough for Tommy.
No?
No.
You're the mango expert.
This
Matt knows better than I do. That's a big mango.
this one looks kind of like the Harvest Moon. Let me see the top of it. That might be Harvest Moon.
That's where Harvest Moon came from?
Yeah, it's from ZILL.
I had just...
But at the
Look at Pete salivating.
yeah, it's got a little rowdy spot on this one.
Wow.
Oh, wow. What's this smell? Call it Harvest Moon?
That's what it looks like. I mean, I don't know.
Looks like it.
Dude, Danny, what's with that dead rat in your hand, man?
I have a mango.
Meringue core.
You gonna eat that?
Oh, it's just smelling. Delicious smell.
What do you think? Better than
Very
the last
different.
two?
Yeah.
Wow, it's so juicy.
Better than the last two, really?
Yeah.
I would say that,
It's
yeah.
got a lot of lemony flavors in there.
Oh, this is my type of mango.
That is delicious. Paul, have you got in on this one yet?
Yeah, a little bit. Let's keep moving. More mangoes to try. Guess what?
What would Gary say?
Well, Gary would say this is I think a calcium deficiency.
Oh, with that spot, okay.
Yeah. Well, it might also be from a bruise, but the whiter parts on the outside is from a calcium deficiency.
Is that a grounder or did you pick that?
I found it on the ground.
Okay.
We'll try some.
Same tree?
Yeah. ¿Qué? Está bien. This is el hombre que. This is the guy that takes care of the farm.
Hola.
But yeah,
What's your name? Johnny.
Johnny. No, David.
David.
Johnny, no, David.
David. Yeah, el hombre que es. He's taking care of the farm, eating lots of fruit, meringue, jackfruits, mangoes.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Fruit curls, man.
Yeah. You lift up jackfruits?
Awesome.
Let's keep walking up, find some more mangoes. That's when you know somebody said it's the best fruit in the tree because a bird came and tried it.
Oh, it's got a nice hole in it.
Yeah. Here, Danny's got the knife now.
Danny, you're doing a good job. All right, who's going first?
Who's going? Go for it,
Oh,
Petey.
whatever. Supposed to be ladies first. That's good, man.
Not a lady.
You're cute. I just like to do like that.
It smells good.
Less fiber?
Less fiber.
Okay.
Second one had better texture though.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, dude,
So-
you're making a mess.
So aromatic and zero texture. Zero fiber. Get in there.
Are your teeth clear?
Yeah.
That was almost like jelly. A little
Right.
overcooked, right?
Yeah. I kind of like them like that sometimes. Oh.
What are you thinking, Danny? 1 to 10?
I don't know. Give it 7.
7? Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've had some better
That's
ones.
legit. Was the big one 10?
Oh, yeah, close to 10.
Close to 10, all right. The big unknown mango.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
But it's
There's
soft.
some better jackfruits down below.
Can I pick this or no?
Sure, yeah. That one's. Go for it. If you want. There'll be some better ones down below though. That one does not look like it's. I see some bigger boys over there.
Where's the machete? Open this thing up. Let's see what we're working with. No, we need the machete.
Not ready. Or not that type of jack.
That type of jack, I guess.
Some of them you can just peel.
Yeah.
Very good. Maybe like 3 lobes in there.
Taste it.
It's pretty firm.
Yeah, it looks firm.
Kind of mild.
Nothing crazy?
Mild taste.
No.
All right, what does that mean? On to the next one?
No.
All right.
Super mild.
No lack of jack. OMG, jackfruit graveyard over here. Look at all those jackfruits. Ooh.
Sad boy.
Stud? Whoa! Alright, if you guys have seen my profile pictures, I love cuddling with jackfruit. Andy, what's ripening in here? Nothing?
Everything.
What about that black one? Oh, they're overcooked?
Yeah.
And that is a termite nest. Or is that a jackfruit that landed in the crotch and rotted? It's kind of hard to tell.
There's a local native plant called Nancy. Oh, Nancy. They're not my favorite, but
They are edible.
they are somewhat yummy. You want to try that? It's a bunch on the ground.
I see it. It's like raining.
Yeah, not my favorite,
No.
but a lot of people like them.
Sour and astringent. Double whammy.
You know, a view of the ocean right here on the corner. Oh, there it is.
Oh, I see it.
B-roll.
What ocean is that?
That's the Nicoya Peninsula on the other side, and the Gulf of Nicoya.